Hi everyone. So beginning with our CG third practical, which consists of Bresenham circle drawing algorithm to draw an object. The object should be displayed in all quadrants with respect to center and radius. This is our practical need. In manual, we'll first check out what exactly we have to do. See, Bresenham circle drawing algorithm is nothing but to draw an circle which is divided into 8 ways of symmetrical circles and generals whole circle in 1/8 part of the circle, that is 90 to 45 degrees. See here, quadrants xy, yx minus xy on the basis of Cartesian has been decided. So here in algorithm, we have decision parameter d equal to 3 minus 2r. Algorithm begins with reading of radius r, initializing the decision parameter starting point. In that will plot all the quadrants, all the points in the C. You can see xy, all the 8 points here has been plotted and initialized. If decision parameter is less than 0, then we'll use this formula, else we'll use this and find out the x and y. This is nothing but an algorithm. In other words, we can say it as radius and center as xc and yc. Circumference of circle origin as x0, y0 equal to 0r. Calculating the initial value, that is decision parameter, here p0 as 5 by 4 minus 3 minus r at xk position. Now here pk plus 1, that is p initialized plus 1 because it is a next point, and so on. Here we'll find x and y. Repeating this up till the three step through which we get until x is greater or equal to the y. We'll continue the process. So executing our practical, we'll go in code blocks in that file, new project, console application, go, next, C++, next, project title, CG second, CG third, Bresenham circle. Here it is going to be saved. Please check out where the program has been checking. If by chance by mistake you close the file, you can access it from there. Later finish. Now here our name which have been saved will go in that source file. Double click main C. We'll get a new workspace where we'll paste the program. I will be providing you with this program in the description. Please kindly check. I have tried to execute the small program so that it is easy to understand. Anyway, the C++ program are larger only. This program having glut libraries, using let libraries only. Here we have initialize our variables. Here the initial parameters like functions like color has been initialized, and vertex, GN vertex is for the vertex function. For that, I have told you to initialize the 8 points which I have shown in the manual. This 8 point has been executed in this way. Uh, Here you can see the 8 points which I have mentioned. See these points. These are nothing but these 8 points on Cartesian. And later on, here is an iterating function, that algorithm which I have told you that we have to choose if the decision parameter is greater than 0, we'll use that formula, and if the decision parameter is smaller than 0, we'll use this. And rest all the initial functions which we have shown for red color circle 1, black color circle 2, and so on. And we'll use middle button, that is scroll button of the mouse, for execution. So beginning with execution, we'll go again build and run. If you didn't find over here, it's over here in upper taskbar, build option, in build and run. First build and later we'll do run. Sometimes it doesn't open, that's because build and run. See, here are two initialize. For that, left click, black circle, enter the radius value, will enter. See, and so on, we'll get it. Actually, there must be a bigger circle, but the system is not exactly working. You will get exactly similar output like this. This output is done by me. Exactly similar output. Right now, the system is not working properly. Sorry for inconvenience. But our output will get like this. In same way, left click, press scroll button, select the options, enter the radius values.